A lot of people love ranch. You can put, you know, ranch on salads. You can put ranch on pizza. Ranch, people dip their fries in ranch. So this is good, man. They might have changed the game. What are they talking about?
I've been waiting for like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell, and today we're gonna be doing a salad dressing review. So I was in Wegmans the other day, right? I saw that they had some vegan ranch. Vegan ranch by Daya, I think that's how you say it. I always butcher this name. Ranch, as you guys know, usually has milk, usually has eggs. So this is dairy-free, gluten and soy-free, egg-free. And they make it with canola oil, water, white vinegar, cane sugar, sea salt, potato starch, vegan natural flavors. I'm about to give y'all my honest taste test of this home-style ranch. But we can't do a salad dressing review without some salad. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we got the salad, we got the dressing, now let's get into it. Now I know the salad don't look the best. You know what I'm saying? I probably could have put some cucumbers in there. I probably could have put some other things, but we're not doing a salad review. We're doing a ranch dressing review. I'll save the salad for another Chef T episode. First impressions, I mean, it looks like ranch. Anybody that used to eat ranch, they know it always has like that little, I don't even know what to call that. It looks like little sesame seeds. But it looks like ranch, so I'll give that a pass if it smells like ranch. That's interesting. Because it smells like ranch, but then it doesn't smell like ranch. I don't know, man. I haven't had ranch in so long, I honestly forgot what ranch smells like, but.
You want to compare it to a real ranch?
You got real ranch?
I think so. I'm checking the fridge.
Let me check and see if there's some real ranch actually. Got that Hidden Valley. This is a fan favorite. Contains egg, milk, and soy in this one. You know, on the side by side, you can tell it damn near looks identical. I think the vegan ranch is like a little bit darker shade. Let's go on to the smell. Okay. This smells more like a, you know how they got like fat-free sugar, or not fat-free sugar, like sugar-free or fat-free like dressings and like sauces and stuff. This smells like a fat-free version of this. It's a stronger smell. And this is like a more, I can't even explain it. It's like a tangy smell almost. I'm gonna try it by itself first, and then I'm gonna try it on the salad. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna pour it on the fork so I can try it out. This ain't slow like molasses, man. What's going on? I guess because I'm like kind of cautious. I don't want to dump the whole thing. There we go. All right, let's try it out. I don't know, man. By itself, I guess it's dressing, so I can't, you know, nobody eats dressing by itself. By itself, I don't really like it. I'm gonna put some on this salad though, see if these onions, tomatoes, and spinach, you know what I'm saying, beef it up a little bit. I should have made a smaller bowl, man, because if I don't like it, I'm gonna waste all this salad. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't dip fries in this, you know what I'm saying? I definitely wouldn't dip my pizza in that. Since I went vegan, I've been eating like a lot of like Italian dressing, you know what I'm saying? Vegan Italian dressing. I haven't been messing with the ranch. Make sure I get an onion and a tomato on this so I can add some flavor, you feel me? All right, here we go. See all that ranch on there? All right. Not bad. It definitely tastes a whole lot better on a salad than it does by itself. I guess it should, because it's salad dressing. If I had to get it a rating, man, it's like that certain flavor, man. Whatever it is, man, in here, it might be the lemon juice or something, man. Something's off. To diet, there's one ingredient in here that I can't figure out that's off. It's making this, it's throwing this whole thing off. It might be the lemon juice, I'm not sure. I will rate it probably a 6.5. A 7 probably giving it too much. A 5 would be too low, a 6 would be too low. Probably like a 6.5. I'm gonna take one more bite. I'm gonna say 6.5 because with a salad, it tastes pretty good. This by itself, man, I probably get like 3 or 4, man. I don't really like the taste of it. Try this one more time. Make sure I get a tomato in there. I need all the flavor I can get to balance this out. Yeah, about a 6.5 out of 10. So what I recommend is, if you're one of those people that ranch dressing is stop you from being vegan, I would try it out. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't recommend this if you're not a huge salad dressing fan. You know what I'm saying? If you're not a huge ranch fan, I probably wouldn't recommend this. Comment down below if you guys have tried this before, or if there's any other salad dressings by Daya or any other vegan dressings that you guys want to recommend. Comment down below and I'll try it out, you know what I'm saying? But for this, I ain't really messing with it. Maybe it's because I've been vegan for 7 months now. I haven't had ranch dressing in a long time. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's that lemon juice. Daya, call me, man. Look, call me. Bring me to your headquarters, man. Sit me down and give me the ranch dressing. Show me all the ingredients. And we're gonna get this thing together. Cause it's almost there, man. This is almost an 8 or 9 out of 10. There's one ingredient in here that's throwing it off, man, for me at least. So that's my honest taste test of this. You guys go ahead and try it out if you want. If you wanna know where I got this from, I got it from Wegmans. I'm sure you can buy it on Amazon or somewhere online. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be looking out for more vegan reviews. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications, so anytime I post, you guys will get notified directly to your phone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about? All right, guys. So as you know, at the end of my videos, I pick a positive comment and I shout them out on my channel. It's not gonna be every video, but almost every video, you know what I'm saying? So on my last video, my vegan full day of eating, what I eat in a day, I wanna shout out the vegan photo enthusiast. They said, or I don't know if it's a he or she, I think it's a she. She said, thanks for the food inspiration, just found your account and I can't wait to see more. Thank you so much. The vegan photo enthusiast. I honestly believe that a lot of my content is really good. I think it's just a matter of people finding it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm at that stage on my channel where I got the content, I just need the people to see it. And then once people see it, then they're gonna subscribe. So shout out to you. You guys go ahead and share my stuff with your friends, your family, your neighbors, your dogs, your cats, whatever. I'm out.